How to create a SQL login user, server user, SQL authentication user. There are two types of authentication in SQL Server 2008 R2, Windows authentication and SQL Server user authentication. Now step 1, start SQL Server Management Studio. Sorry, configuration wizard. Start with Windows authentication. And second step, right click on server instance name and select properties. My SQL server stopped, so did not connect. It not connected because start services, refresh. Now start. Right click on server instance and name and select properties. First thing, security, and select this option SQL Server and Windows Authentication multi login option and click OK. This option. Step 3, in server authentication tab you can see your SQL server in configuration for Windows authentication mode, SQL server and Windows authentication mode. So if you want to enable SQL user login to SQL server, then select checked mix mode. Mix mode is nothing but SQL server and Windows authentication mode, and click OK. Now create a login. Before create a login, please restart your SQL server. Now to create a SQL login, right click on security tab and select a new, and then create a login. First restart your server and security login, new login, SQL server authentication, name you want to use, password, and information. Enforce password policy. I do not want to password expire, and I do not want to password change on next login. So disable this option and create one thing, database. I use my data is a database for this user, so I can change your database name, change my database name and click OK. I am already created this user, so I cancel this. But first general option, then server role, public, user mapping to my data. This is very important to user mapping to this login, public, and then these two options disable, and SQL Server authentication name, password, and user mapping. And last thing is status granted, login enable, permission to connect to database engine granted, and click OK to create a user. I am already create this user, so I cancel it. You can OK. Now finish and done. This is our Windows authentication mode. Now connect with SQL Server authentication mode. Shiva my password. Connect. Now see, this is our user authentication mode. Login, to login Shiva and SA. This is Windows authentication mode. Built-in username, Windows administrator user, and select this database, my data, and select this system data. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Do you like this video? So please like and subscribe and share. Thank you.